Jira is a project management tool that provides a platform for organization to plan, track, and release softwares. Jira is a commonly used software by teams and development. How can you install it on Windows? It's simple. Just go to the website of Jira. This is atlassian.com/software/Jira/download. Now select your plan and support the release to download the Jira package and click on download. Then click on the privacy policy to download the Jira and click on submit. This will start the downloading process for Jira. Now then execute the Jira.exe file to continue the installation process. After installation, Jira gets started. Now click on yes to get the user control for the installation of the Jira software. It's a basic Windows 11 or Windows 10 procedure. Then install Jira software on your computer. The wizard will lead you to step by step through the installation. Now after that, go to the next and exit the setup. Now you choose to appropriate installation and upgrade option to install Jira. Now select the destination folder and directories to install the Jira software. Then select the location that should be default. Then select the start menu to install the Jira software. Now then configure the which port Jira software will use and configure TCP ports. Then click on allow access to unlock the features which has been blocked by Jira. Now this way you can install Jira in just simple steps. And Jira again, it's a very cool software, and I'll see you in the next one.